Hello, and welcome to our series of writing a web SER in Rust programming language. For this purpose, we are using one of the most popular Rust frameworks, that is, Actix Web. Actix Web comes with great developer experience, ready-to-use macros and easy-to-use data pattern. Along with this, it provides very high performance. It can also be used to develop production applications. Alongside our Actix Web backend, we are using MySql as our database. It is one of the most popular relational database. Many top companies, such as YouTube, PayPal, Facebook, Netflix, etc. use it. In today's video, we will learn how to use delete SQL statement. For this, we will learn to delete our to-do by their ID. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Let us create an endpoint to delete a to-do. We will use delete macro with endpoint to-do/delete over our function delete a to-do. Our function will be public and asynchronous. It should have two parameters. They will be of type MySql pool wrapped in struct data and ID struct wrapped in struct JSON. Inside our function we will execute SQL delete statement using SQLX. This returns a result. We will handle results using match. For our OK case, we will return response OK. And for our error case, we will return response internal server error. Let us chain our new endpoint with our other endpoints in our main function. Now we will build and run our project using cargo run. Then we will open Postman and check if our endpoint is working properly or not. Let us create a new request for our new endpoint. We will check our getAll to-dos. We can see one of the to-dos with ID has status completed. Since this to-do is already completed, we can delete our to-do. So, for our delete endpoint we will use ID 2. Let us once again fetch our endpoint to get all of our to-dos. We can see that now our to-do with status completed no longer exists. Hence, we can conclude that our endpoint works perfectly. In this series, we have learned how to write a web server in Rust and use MySql database. We will soon come up with our new series. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and visit again.